Here I am back with another video of me getting beat down by another makeup artist in Detroit, Metro Detroit area. Here we are with Blush by Sammy today, y'all. When I tell y'all this appointment was so energetic, long overdue, Sammy was an absolute joy to talk to. I literally had so much fun with her. Y'all see how fun her studio is too? It's pink, it's neon. Look, we dancing. We're here, baby. I'm ready, okay? Sammy just has such great energy. I literally love being with her. We had such a good conversation. We talked, we laughed, we got comfy, baby, okay? I love the type of appointments where you just feel comfortable enough to talk and just laugh and be yourself. And I definitely was that with Sammy, okay? 8 down. I loved being with her. She was just super energetic, and I loved it because it got me hype, okay? It definitely made me say, okay, hubby, what's up? Let's go out for a date, okay? Because I just feel like I look too good. Sammy got me looking too cute, okay? So she actually started the appointment by just prepping my skin, like normal, and getting my face together. Then she worked on the brows and the eyes. And I just love this application technique. Of course, I love seeing everybody's technique so far. How are you guys enjoying the series? I have been having so much fun just getting pampered and just meeting all the talent out here in the city that I'm in. It's just so fun. It's so fun. So let me know how y'all are enjoying it. And I also recommend some makeup artists that you enjoy in this area. Let me know if y'all have been to Sammy, by the way, because she just the confidence in her craft. I love it. She's super well versed in this field as well as have a lot of years of experience, and I'm so here for it, y'all. So here for it. These appointments I've been loving also because it's just showing me how I guess my own tutorials have inspired other people to start their journey or giving them, inspiration. And I just absolutely love that because it makes me feel like my work isn't, I guess, going unnoticed or all for nothing. Like if I can inspire another makeup artist, then I feel like job well done, baby. You did that, So it's just so encouraging. They be acting like they is encouraged, baby. I'm encouraged, okay? Makes me feel like, let me keep going. You know what I'm saying? So I love it. Another great makeup artist, just so confident in their craft. She's setting me, she's just baking me, and she is getting my face snatched, honey. She was so just love what she do. This is the example of an artist that just loves what she does, and I can appreciate it, baby. You know how you can tell when somebody just really don't like their job? You cannot tell that with Sammy. Like this woman love what she do, and I was so here for it because she just puts her all into it. You can tell, well taken care of during my appointment, and just definitely had a great conversation, had a great time. Getting to know her was just so fun. We just talked and laughed, and I love it. I just also love seeing how the face comes together. Like, again, when you're in the appointment, you could just kind of feel what's going on, but seeing it is just so beautiful. How everything is just melding perfectly. Look at the blush moment. She's snatching my nose right now. Like, yes. Here for it. I can't wait to see this eye transformation come together. Okay, because my eyes was closed, baby. Gotta get into this glam, baby. Let's get into the eye. Okay, she's laying down the foundation of color here with the brown and everything. And now we getting into some depth. Ooh, I can't wait for y'all to see how this just ate down. She was not afraid to do something fun on the eyes, y'all. Come on, okay? With the soft cut crease. Yeah. Come on, Sammy. And did liner. Ooh, we can't tell her a thing. Do you hear me? Y'all know how I feel about liner, okay? And she just demolished this like it was nothing. That's how you know she probably gets a lot of requests for liner, because this was so sharp, y'all. And the way I struggle with liner, and she just acted like that wasn't a thing, baby. Like, what? Oh my gosh, y'all, she had a bucket of lashes. Don't ever put candy in front of me like that again, Sammy. Like, what? I said, oh no, this is gonna take me forever. I had to end up asking my husband to get the final decision. We had got it down to like 3 choices, and he was able to help me find out what I wanted to do. Cause I'm like, ooh, there's so many possibilities. I also love the sanitation techniques by just using throwaway little like lip pencils and stuff to, you know, keep everything sanitized and not cross-contaminating anything. Of course, throwaway stuff. Yeah, I love that. I love that. And trust me, clients pay attention to that type of stuff. I know I do. So, you know, clean brushes and not dipping into product back and forth, you know. It's different when I'm doing my own face and I can dip in my product all I want, you know, but when you're doing a bunch of clients, that sanitation really does take it up a notch, you know, just for the safety of the client. So I love that. This lip, come on, gloss. Yeah. I love a good nose contour, baby. The eye, though, the gloss, like, this is just such a moment. Are you kidding me? Give me soft but glam, okay? And drench me, Sammy, yes. Douse me in the settings, right?
Oh my God. Do we love? Oh my gosh. Yes. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing? Come. Are you seeing? I just ate this. Oh. That's right. Oh. Yeah. 8.
Stop your gassing me. Wrong
You
time.
gassed me, baby. I can't even look. Now I gotta do.
You're awesome, I love. That was so fun.
I'm so excited. This was great.
I enjoyed it.
Oh yeah, I feel cute.
Yeah, all of the content. All of it.
Literally all of it. My girl Sammy got me together. Go ahead and book your appointment. Blushed by who? By her, Sammy. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.